In this video, I will be showing you how I make lip gloss for my business and how I actually get the color to show up on your lips instead of most glosses where it's a pretty color but you see it's only a tinted gloss and not an actual popping color. Some of you all may be wondering why I'm using so many oils, butters, and wax, and that's because each of those products offer a different benefit to your skin. Now, I wanted my company to stand out from other lip gloss companies instead of just using coconut oil or grapeseed. Since everything has melted down, now it's time to add the Versagel. I like to use a hand mixer instead of a spatula or a spoon. Now, in my opinion, it mixes all of the ingredients better than compared to me using a spoon or a spatula. Also, an added benefit is by using the mixer, it allows me to have less air bubbles or possibly no air bubbles within my lip gloss base. If you are wondering about the glass bowls with the lids, I purchased them from my local Dollar Tree store. Glycerin and dimethicone are two ingredients that's used in a lot of cosmetic products. Glycerin actually softens and moisturizes the skin, while dimethicone helps to prevent scarring, water loss, and dryness within the skin. The first gloss that I will be making goes by the name of Coco, and Coco is one of my best-selling glosses. When I initially named named this gloss Coco, I knew that I wanted it to have that cocoa butter smell to it. So instead of hunting for different cocoa flavors, I just decided to melt down some cocoa butter and add it to it and see what the results were. Now you will see me using a 2 milliliter pipette instead of a 3 milliliter pipette or anything bigger. After a lot of trial and errors, I've come to the conclusion that a 2 milliliter pipette works best when it comes to filling the squeeze tube. At first, I used to get those gaps at the bottom of my gloss because the pipette was too big to fit within the corners to fill them all up. But now, since I switched to the 2 milliliter, I don't have that problem at all. I like to poke in each corner 3 to 4 times with the pipette to make sure the gloss is getting down there and filling everything up nicely. The second gloss that I will be making goes by the name of Passion. Now, Passion is a nice purple bluish gloss with glitter added to it. Take a look at these glosses. To me, they are just beautiful.